Hey guys, I just wanted to do a better look of this gorgeous oil from Conjured Cardia. And this is just so beautiful. Look at this. I'm trying to focus it better. But look at that. I just love it. You could just tell the energy that goes into it. Just trying to shake it up, guys, so you can see the different layers of it, because there's a ton of layers. See that? Look how pretty that is. It looks like it's got some red brick dust in there. I can't tell though. That is so beautiful. I hope you guys check out her shop. It is filled with awesome information with her products and her services, and every time I put on this oil, I feel so relaxed and so connected to spirit. And I'm burning this candle, Maria Laveau, and I just feel so calm and at peace, and I feel like she's watching over me, you know? So I hope you guys check out her shop. And she has such, like I said, such a variety that you won't be disappointed. You will find what you need there for spirit communication and also your spiritual needs. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and thank you for watching and being a supporter of Raven of Hope. Please like, share, and comment, and I will leave her links down below. I hope you guys checked out the unboxing that I done for her, and also check out her shop, and she has a YouTube channel on here as well. Many blessings.